Meaning of glans.
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 Glans. The term glans refers to a rounded, bulbous structure situated at the end of certain organs or body parts. In human anatomy, the glans refers specifically to the head of the penis or clitoris, which is highly sensitive and plays a crucial role in sexual arousal and function. The glans is covered by a layer of specialized skin known as the foreskin, which can be removed by a surgical procedure called circumcision. The glans plays an important role in sexual pleasure and reproduction, and its anatomy and physiology are the subject of ongoing scientific investigation.